IRS Form W-2 is used to report an employee's annual wages and the amount of taxes withheld from their paychecks. This does not include independent contractors who file taxes with different forms, such as Form 1099. You can either download your W-2 from the IRS website or use PDF Filler, where the W-2 form can be completed, signed, and submitted electronically. This is what an IRS Form W-2 looks like. Boxes A through F on the left represent employee/employer information. Start by filling out your employee's social security number. Enter your employer identification number, the name and address of your business, your employee's name, and their address. Proceed to complete the numbered boxes 1 through 20. Box 1 shows gross wages, tips, and any other compensation received by an employee, while Box 2 shows the total amount of federal income tax withheld from employee wages for the year. Box 3 details the amount of Social Security wages for the year. Box 4 indicates the total Social Security tax withheld. Box 5 spells out the total Medicare wages, while Box 6 indicates how much Medicare tax was withheld. Box 7 reports Social Security tips received, and Box 8 indicates how much the employer reported in tips paid to the employee. You can leave Box 9 blank since it reflects a now defunct tax perk. Box 10 reports any dependent care assistance that was deducted from employee wages, as well as any employer contributions. Box 11 details any distributions from non-qualified deferred compensation plans. Box 12 is used to report a variety of tax-deferred compensation, benefits, and non-monetary compensation. Box 13 has 3 sub-boxes to report payments that are not subject to federal income tax withholding, if the employee participated in an employer-sponsored retirement plan, or received sick pay via an insurance policy. Box 14 allows the employer to report any other additional tax information. Boxes 15 through 20 relate to state and local taxes, including the amount of the employee's pay subject to these taxes and the amount that was withheld. Once all the fields are completed and checked off, save the document to your device or securely share it with your recipient via email, fax, USPS, or SMS.